yes, here we are today. It's a Sunday. Do we ever get a day off? Yeah, we get Mondays off. But Mondays is really not a day off for me. I catch up on all the office work for the business. I take care of the house, clean it. Steve's a slave driver. Yeah, back up.
Blooper reel.
Blooper. Yeah, so today we're in here again.
It's
Here's
not
the
just
window.
any Sunday. This is the Sunday before Thanksgiving.
Yeah, and we want to make sure that we eat lots of turkey on Thanksgiving, so that's why we're working today.
We eat lots of turkey every day.
Yeah, we do. That's one of our main staples, so it's no big deal to us. But anyways, I am here today replacing again another broken window with some plexi, and it's a perfect fit. So I'm going to be using some silicone plus caulking, and maybe if I have enough, replace some of this crispy white that holds the windows in. It's right here. Got plenty of glue on today because then after we get all this done, all this Luan's gonna be down into the laundry room, kitchen, and bathroom. And right now, because tomorrow the inspector is finally coming out to the electricity on, Steve is gonna see that snake down there. He's actually gonna kill it by putting on.
I'm gonna wrangle that puppy.
He's gonna wrangle it by putting on a stove box. What did we find out today, Steve? I don't know if you can see this, but inside this.
Here, let me pull it out.
Okay.
Because I have to do that anyway since I'm installing it.
And this is going to help you guys differentiate between a dryer plug and a stove plug.
Right.
Okay, so we see it. Let's put it the light. It's kind of dark. Okay. So, what are we looking at? Okay,
this is a stove plug. A dryer plug is very similar to it, except
can't see it. You're in a shadow or something. I can't see it.
I'm right in front of the light.
Okay, that's better.
Okay, this top prong here, it's a neutral, but so is the one for the dryer. The one for the dryer will have like an L-shaped hole up here. So we found out today the best way to remember which one's for a stove and which one's for an L. If it's got an L, it means laundry.
Yay, aren't they smart?
Which means it goes for the dryer. So we know how to differentiate them now, because I always got confused about which was for a stove and which was for a dryer. Now I can keep it straight because I know that L means laundry.
Yay, and we got so excited by learning something that simple, but I tell you, when you're searching for stuff, it makes a big difference. So he's going to be installing that.
Yep.
Because before I can put this window back, we found out, of course, that part of it was rotten. So we had to replace that. Bring it down to where the stud is, put it down, and then we'll be able to put this window back up. And look at all them bugs out there, folks. Wouldn't you like to touch this with your bare hands? That's why we wear gloves. You never know what you're gonna come into. But that's what I'm going to do, and I'll show you. I can't hold the camera and show you how to do this again, but in one of our videos we were showing you how to do this. So we'll come back when we're done. Okay, I ran into an issue today. I want you to tell me what you think this is. No, don't tell me it's a candle, because it's not. Okay. Was trying and trying and trying and trying to get it to work with the little gun down there that you're supposed to put the caulk in, okay? And it wouldn't come through. So what I did is I sawed the top of it off. And this is what I pulled out along with this. So, but inside the middle, kind of like butter, okay, I just decided to scoop it and spread it like butter all on here. I'm going to clean up some of the edges. But worst case scenario, if you run out when you're in a hurry to do something, just crack it open and use your imagination and do something like this. This will work too. I'm just going to clean up the edges and I'll pop the glass in. It's the first time I've ever run into the clock in a tube. It didn't have its lid on it, so actually it was sitting for a while, I guess, maybe in a hot mobile home, and it turned out like that. But see, the middle part is squishy, so I just dug in there. Butter. And then we'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done.